Hi, it's Rich Tarani. Thanks for watching TMC Net's Editor's Day Santa Clara 2015. Peter Bailey with Vertical is here, and we're excited to have him. Peter, welcome to the show. How are you?
Thank you. Thank you very much.
So I thought we'd start at the top. If you could just tell us a little bit about Vertical. The company's been in telecom for decades now, and it's got a long history.
Yep.
Can you sum it up?
Sure. Well, I think the last 11 years we've been solely focused on really the unified communications market, delivering software platforms and systems, and we've really made a lot of headway in different vertical markets. And so we are a vertically market-oriented business, despite the name, but specifically number one in retail, with also a big share in auto dealer, healthcare, and some other vertical markets. We really think that we've got a tool set and a platform approach that can really drive workflow improvements at our customer. And that has been the key to our success in recent years.
Fantastic. And last month at IT Expo in Anaheim, you had a great keynote, and I was wondering, could you give us an overview of some of the things you discussed for those people that weren't there?
Yeah, absolutely. So the thrust of the talk was about workflows, and really our view that the unified communications tool set, writ large, whether it's clients or database integration, call routing and queuing and things like this, they are best used and valued in terms of their ability to aid workflows at the customer. And we've designed both a kind of a sales engagement and professional services approach with our customers where we can go in, understand their business, understand their pain points, and design a solution that basically enhances workflows, sometimes creates new workflows, informs workflows, and that drives a meaningful bottom line impact for the customer. So we do that in retail, we do that in auto dealer, we do that in healthcare, et cetera, and we have found that is of tremendous value to customers. It's been a great way to engage a customer, partnering with them rather than selling them something, and that by and large has led to our success to date.
Now, are there any products coming out that we should know about that relate to communications and workflow?
So we've got a full platform solution in the classic unified communications market. We are introducing a new video collaboration platform actually right now called Vertical Meetings. And then recently we also introduced our large centralized cloud call manager, and this is really for large customers that are looking to front end thousands and thousands of calls across a large network. Again, using retailers as an example, you can imagine why they might want to do that, but really gets us more firmly into the larger scale enterprise space as well. And all those products integrate with our other products, and so we provide a highly integrated solution back to the customer. So those two are really the next big ones for us right now.
Now, your company has a tremendous direct sales footprint. You've made huge acquisitions in that area as well in recent times. I was wondering, how does that help your business in terms of workflow and how you work with your customers?
Sure. So we have both the channel, as you said, and a direct sales force. And what we try to do is engage our customers any way we can. And sometimes it's best done through a channel, sometimes through a direct sales force. We actually have a very nice symbiosis with our channel and our direct sales force. Sometimes our direct sales force is feeding our channel and vice versa, depending on where they are. The bottom line is we're looking for either our people or our channel to be able to walk into a customer and engage them, understand their business, and make a solution sale effectively, consultative sell, because what we're trying to do is really impact the bottom line for our customers and deliver a technology that can do that. And that requires a certain level of engagement that either we need to train into our customers or we have to find select channel partners who really get that. And so by being selective with our channel partners as well as developing our own sales force and direct approach, that's allowed us to frankly be real successful engaging customers and driving success with our customers.
Fantastic. So you found that the two sales forces are able to work together, as you mentioned.
Yeah, absolutely. And listen, we try to manage conflict. It's actually not been a big issue for us, frankly. My sort of speech to our channel has always been, hey, we want to penetrate the market. We want to get in front of as many customers as we can, any way we can.
Right.
And we really value our partners that are great at doing that. And those are typical markets we're not going to go into with the direct sales force because they're already doing a great job. So we can find great ways to partner with our channel.
Okay. Now, what are your thoughts on cloud?
So cloud obviously is a huge mega trend. All of IT is getting replatformed to cloud, and that's true for communications as well. We really see today opportunities for scale, for redundancy, with cloud. we are virtualizing our technology. Our technology is hosted in data centers today. As I mentioned before, we have a new large-scale cloud product that we introduced a few months ago that allows us to go after very large 10,000 port plus type installations. So we see it as a long-term trend that absolutely is important for all of our customers. More and more we're providing a managed service in a data center to our customers, and so really we're seeing CPE be failover or kind of local gateways for survivability, if you will, and more of every customer really looking for, whether it's their data center or our data center, what we'd call a cloud solution. So it's here to stay. Our take on it is that an instance per customer that can be highly customized has been the way to go. If you think about sort of our ability to provide solutions that can help enhance or inform workflows, that requires data integration to their databases, integration to their applications. It requires a lot of customization of the system or platform itself. And so a single instance per customer managed through a multi-tenant management infrastructure has been our approach to this market, and that's been real successful so far.
Great. Now, the company's been really strong in the verticals, as you mentioned, which is, fits in with the name.
Yeah.
And retail and automotive are two of the big ones, and you're also strong in enterprise mobility presence. And I'm wondering, how does that technology tie in with the markets such as retail, such as automotive, and what are the benefits there?
Sure. Well, we're sort of in phase two of what I'll call mobility in the enterprise. I think initially we had this big sweep of BYOD devices coming into the enterprise, and that's been good and bad. It's been great, giving employees these fantastic tools to use and then integrating those into the enterprise network environment. It's been not so great in the case of when you need maybe more industrialized or wireless solutions that aren't going to break, so to speak, if they get dropped on the floor. So in the case of retail, as an example, we've got large department stores that are looking to put mobile devices in their staff's hands, and that's for two reasons. One is calls are coming into the stores from other stores, from end customers looking to contact their personal shopper. We want these staff roaming the floor, servicing other customers, able to take those calls. And by using routing technology and some of the things that we know how to do, we can get calls from the outside into these people, much, much faster than they were before. And so that mobile technology is allowing them to manage their staff more effectively, less people required on the floor, as well as to manage customers more quickly. And that's just a very small example of improving customer experience and reducing costs that a large department store retailer might do. There's examples in the hospitals, you might imagine, with folks roaming hospitals, again, able to answer a secure text message, able to answer a call, able to answer a page, hopefully removing noisy pages over time and going for more of a quiet hospital environment. So we're seeing wireless and mobility as a tool revolutionize some of these workflows, make them more efficient, and obviously our ability to completely integrate with that, put applications on those devices, is a real big opportunity.
So really a faster return on investment for your customers.
Absolutely, and they all know this. They all know that they got to go this way, and so what the key is again, engaging to provide a workflow solution for them. Making those devices integrated tightly in with the communications infrastructure, developing applications specific to those businesses. That's really what we've been able to provide to the market.
Fantastic. Thanks so much for being here today. This was great.
Great. Thank you.